Hello, teacher. Daily routine. In the morning on Monday, I wake up at 8 o'clock. I get up at age 15. At age 20, I take a bath and get dressed. Age 40, breakfast. Age 50, I brush my teeth. 9 o'clock, I pack my suitcase for class. 9:15, I leave for college. 10 o'clock, I arrive at the university for class until 2 o'clock. In the afternoon, 2:15, going to have lunch. 2:45, I go back to the university to do some work before the next class. 6 o'clock, the next class starts until 8 o'clock. 8:10, they come to pick me up to take me house. 9 o'clock, I arrive at the home. 9:10, I take a shower and change. 9:20, dinner. 9:30, I brush my teeth. Then I go to sleep. Weekend, Saturday. In the morning, on Saturday, I start my day at 4 o'clock to go to university. 4:10, I take a shower and get dressed. 4:20, breakfast. 4:30, I pack my suitcase for college. 4:45, I arrange my cat's thing so that he is comfortable throughout the day. 4:50, I leave food and water for my cat. 5 o'clock, I leave my house for college. 6 o'clock, I arrive at the university for my first class. 11 o'clock, my first class ends. 11:15, I go out for a while with my colleagues in the afternoon. 12:30, going to have lunch. 1 o'clock, I enter my second class. 3 o'clock, I leave the class. 3:30, I take public transport to go home. 5 o'clock, I arrive at my home. 5:15, I take a shower and change. 5:30, I do homework. 8 o'clock, dinner. 8:30, sleep, moving forward and hiding in assignment. 10 o'clock, I go to sleep. Sunday. 7 o'clock, wake up. 7:30, I take a shower and get dressed. 7:40, breakfast. 7:15, I leave my house. 8 o'clock I go to church. 11 o'clock I leave the church. 11:20 I arrive at my home. 11:40 I prepare lunch for myself and my family. In the afternoon, 1 o'clock lunch. 2 o'clock I check if in Suitland have any pending activities or tasks. 3 o'clock I go out with my family somewhere. 5 5 o'clock I arrive at my home. 6 o'clock I organize my room and think for the university. 8 o'clock dinner. 10 o'clock I go to sleep. Thank you.